to our happy home. This is the Cookery Show at Jack's Bistro. Follow me, you kids.
Freak me out.
Down here.
Where is he? I can't find this.
Zoom out.
I'm zooming. There we go. I found him. I'm a bad cameraman.
Did he focus?
Uh-huh. Pretty well.
This here is our feast for today. This is called the guinea pig. As you can tell, it's pretty fat and ready to eat. Smells good too. Won't he be good in your frying pan? We'll save him later. We'll get to him. Now he's in safekeeping. Now we'll go over here to my kitchen. Here's where I clean my things.
My acrylic threw me.
Over here I go to where I shall cook the guinea pigs.
Hold it. That's how far I can go. I'll zoom in a little bit there. Okay.
And here is my utensils. I have a wide selection.
Show us it.
For example, this is where we're going to kick beep. Part 2. This is where we will cook the guinea pig.
Is it boiled, fried, or sauteed? I don't know if they mean the same though.
We are going to boil the sucker.
Did you skin him first?
No, we love for Mathematica.
Where are you?
Are you ready to be cooked? We shall now open up his cage. Take him. It's quite dirty in here, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Poop. Here's a close-up shot of him. Now, over here.
Hold on.
Crew.
I'm coming. Where are
Jump
you?
for the cord.
Yeah, I am.
Here it is. Okay. Okay. Now turn it off. Now the guinea is in here. We are now going
Shake
to
it up and
cook
down. You must have a lot of carrots and beets in there.
This sucker's tough. Now we will cook him.
You left the pan in there.
That's okay, I'm a professional cook. Set it all up and let him fry for half an hour. Later, folks, we'll see how he is done. A few minutes after this commercial.
A few.
Hello, and we have this new project down by the high school, and we'd like y'all to come. And here's a bad example of what's going to be there. This here is called a clown, and the admission fee will be $2 for adults, and 6 and under will be 50 cents. And if you're a little baby, you have to pay $10. Sorry, folks, but that kind of discourages little kids from coming. Okay?
So they ruin the artwork, huh?
Yeah, ruin artwork. Shall I see you there?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, it's been a couple hours later. The commercial's very long. Now we'll see how our guinea pigs do. To open the oven.
Just a minute. How do you mind this? You okay? Where's the pot?
We'll see how he's doing.
How do you get this to go back?
As you notice, he needs a little more cooking. I'll show you, okay? As you see, he's still alive because he's awful tough.
He's a new breed.
He's a new breed, yeah. You got that right. See, he's in total pain right now. That's why he's squeaking. You would too be if you get stir-fried. Okay.
Stir fried? I thought he was being boiled.
Hey, this is a professional show.
Okay.
Okay, that's the end of the show. We'll just have to try it tomorrow.
We need another commercial to pay for this. I do need my payroll.
I'm in a commercial called Crystal Light. As you know, it is sugar-free, contains no saccharin.
And he does it for the money.
Yeah, NutraSweet. This is what you hear. It's not from bananas. It's not from cows, but it is all natural. As you notice, this stuff here keeps you thin and trim.
Hold it, you're out of focus. Okay.
Keeps you thin and trim. So if you want some and keep thin and trim and have all natural fruit flavors, no calories per serving,
Join
you
Taekwondo.
come and get Crystal Light, sugar-free.
How much is it a container?
Can't say that in a commercial. It depends on what kind of store you go to across the country.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Give us an average.
Average, do you? Like what kind of average? About 5.
That done it?
I want some beer.